One of the hardest truths to hear as an author is that your book is not for everyone. But that's actually a good thing. Because the moment you stop trying to reach everyone and start focusing on your audience, the ones that actually want to hear what you've got to say, that's when your book will find its readers. So how do you find your readers? Let's find out. You need to think like an entrepreneur. Think of your book as a product. The clearer you are about who it's for, the easier it is to write content that they'll relate to and promote your book in the right places. Before you think about your book's readers, you need to be clear about what your book offers. Ask yourself, what problem does your book solve? Why should a reader pick up your book instead of someone else's? Whether it's a non-fiction guide about time management or a fantasy novel about love and loyalty, your book has a core value. You need to figure out what that is. You can even make a list of 15 to 20 keywords or phrases that describe your book's theme. This list will come in handy when you're trying to sell your book to readers. Then, think of your target reader as a real person. What's their life like? What are they going through? Why would your book connect with them? Start with demographics like age, gender, location, and then go deeper. What are their interests? What challenges are they facing? These psychographics like habits, desires, and values will give you a much clearer picture on how to connect with them. If you've already published something or you have a small audience, you can start there. Look at reviews, comments, and DMs. Which of your work are people engaging the most with? You can use insights tools on platforms like Facebook and Instagram to learn about your readers' age, gender, and location. A short survey shared through email or social media can also give you useful information about your readers. Your competition can teach you a lot. Pick a few books and read reviews on platforms like Goodreads and Amazon. What do their readers like the most about those books? What do they wish they saw more of? These insights can help you understand what your audience actually wants. You also need to keep track of what's trending. Use platforms like keywords in Google Ads and search for terms related to your book to see what comes up. This helps you understand what new topics your audience is exploring. You don't have to build a community from scratch. Join the ones that already exist. You can look for Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and Discord servers related to your genre or topic. Finding your target audience is one of the smartest things you can do as an author. It helps you build a lasting connection with your readers. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!